Hey guys, happy Monday. So this week we are analyzing graphs, and what we're looking at are like how graphs and situations go together, and what a constant looks like, what an increase looks like, and what a decrease looks like. And so we're going to look at this scenario in this graph right here. And it says a roller coaster park is open from May to October each year. The graph shows the number of park visitors over its season. So you will notice that on the graph, there were two variables. Time is passing, and the amount of visitors are either increasing, decreasing, or staying the same. So when I look here, each section represents a month. This is May, this is June, July, August, and September. And then after September, it closes on October 1st. And if I look at section 1, I notice that everything is constant. So there's no increase or decrease of visitors. When I look at section 2, I'm going up. Now, section 2 is representing the amount of visitors in the month of June. What could be a reasonable explanation for visitors increasing in the month of June? Yeah, so like it starts summer and people are starting to go on vacation. Kids are out of school, so that would make sense. And there could be different reasons, but a lot of people go on vacation in June. And then we look and we still have an increase, but it's a slower increase in July. And so July is still a popular time for people to attend amusement parks. And then we have August, and then we have September. Well, what we notice in section 4 is that there's a decrease of visitors. So what could be a reason that visitors are slowing down in the month of August? What could be happening? There's several examples, but I would probably think that in August, we usually go back to school in August if it's not like a crazy COVID-19 year. And so there's going to be less people. And then there's still a decline in September. And so that takes us to the end where we have no visitors because the park is closing. And so you'll notice each piece of the graph had an increase, a decrease, or a constant. And what we're looking at is it increasing, decreasing, or staying the same? And what would be a reasonable explanation as to why this is occurring? Okay. We're also going to be matching situations to graphs. And so here's 3 situations and 3 different graphs. And so it says Grace started by learning how to spell many words each day, but then learned fewer and fewer words each day. Jet learned how to spell the same number of words each day. Mike started by learning how to spell only a few words each day, but then a greater number of words each day. Okay. The thing I'm seeing here that sticks out to me the most is Jet. Jet is learning the same amount every day. And so if we were thinking in terms of slope or my rate of change, Jet's rate of change would have to be constant, making it this diagonal line that's going to go up by the same amount every single day. So we could match graph A with Jet. When we look at graph B and C, we have to think, okay, Grace started by learning how to spell many words, but then fewer and fewer. And then Mike started by learning how to spell only a few, but then it got greater as he went on. So who do you think is going to be B and who do you think is going to be C? Is Grace going to be B and Mike C or vice versa? What do you think?